Alright guys, see how I picked up the start. So this story I want to talk about operators. Now, just like many other programming languages, JavaScript they make use of operators to take carry out different type of actions, and these operators they group them into different types. So you get the one will be arithmetic operators. I just arithmetic that myself. Arithmetic operators. Then you can still get assignment operators. And we still get string operator. Then you get comparison operator or operators. Then you still get logical what is this up now? Okay. Operators. They get other ones see the but for now it will talk for this particular video now be this. Or even this one safe. Go shift this one go. Now just this one now go focus on first. The next video we'll talk about these ones. So now these are arithmetic operators and as well. Now they see the solve maths for inside our code. Like if you want to perform all these mathematical stuffs, then maybe you want to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, those kind of things there. So now they use, and just like the way you get your normal mathematics operators, then the way to get plus now, where plus now na addition or minus you get for subtraction, then for multiplication asterisk, the asterisk for inside your keyboard now. So that be multiplication. So not go see a letter X, you know, go work na asterisk. Then if you want divide, I see part of arithmetic operator, so forward slash. Now it's the now be the division. Then see get another will be modulo. You get. So we'll go explain on this one. Then see get the one be plus plus. This one have to increment. Then you could get minus minus. This one to decrement. So now as we the run for this course, we go make use of all of this, so now go really understand them well. So in fact, what I'll just create one variable. Now I'm gonna call and say maybe salary. So salary now I'll call assign it to 5,000. You see, then I'll create another variable. I'll call this one maybe bonus. So bonus now, I'll make it maybe like 500. Then I'll put one last one, tax. So I'll put tax to like 300. You see? So now what I could do, I'll come down and I won't say I will use our arithmetic operators I pass now. I'll come down and say VARO answer they get. So the first one now will be the additional, and normal I will say salary plus bonus. Salary plus bonus. I'll come down and say console. Anytime you see this console.log now, if we come our browser now for this place, what it there for inside, it go run for this place here. You see? So this console.log now go log the answer. We'll see whether what we write correct. So you see now, it show 5,500. You see? So salary plus bonus, it give us 5,500, and with the runner here, you see they work. So this plus now, you get now be the arithmetic operator now. What would the add? You get now the arithmetic operator would the add for JavaScript. So one minus now, say maybe one minus tax from the salary now. Maybe tax now 300 now, one minus now. If I come back or run now, you see I say they show 4,700. So like this, I would use arithmetic operators now till they perform mathematical stuff. And as our program they go now, so they create applications now, all these kind of things they now we go to do. You see, we're going to do things like put some web like the complex. So when not to the complex, we're going to use them. We're going to do our best. At the end of the day, we must use operators now take achieve our goal. You get. So I talk of plus, minus, then we'll visit times too. You see, salary times the tax now. If I refresh now, I say it does show 1.5 million. 1.5 million. You see, you get. So then for multiplication, then if I put forward slash, I want divide now. So I want divide. So 5,000 divided by 300. If I refresh now, you see, I say they give me this fraction for here now. You get. The another one will say again and a modulus or modulo. Anyhow, na modulus now. What this one they do after I divide finish that number will like say remain. Now go be the value. That number will remain will be the value. So if I refresh now, see I say they show 200. To make the thing they clear, I go change the salary to 9. You see, then I will change this tax to like 2. So normally if we divide 9 by 2, it's supposed give us how many? It's supposed to give us like maybe 2. It's supposed to give us 4 remainder 1. You get, because it's not 8 there before now. So I refresh. What are they do, Seth? Salary 8 tax. Okay, now modulo there. Normally, if I divide this 8 over 2 now, you see something at 4 there. You get. If I could divide 9 over 2, you see they give us 4.5. You get. They give us 4.5. So this is the modulo they do that remainder where the comma I saw now they bring for us. And you see get some application you create now, you see the importance of this thing. You get. But just to make sure see this kind of thing now they exist for inside our arithmetic operator. You get. So then for this one, then what I go do, machines go back to 5,000. Then we'll leave this one for 200. So now we don't put plus for here now. You see so if I plus them now, they give me 5,200. So now then for the arithmetic operators now. So now the next website I want to do, we'll talk of this assignment operator now. So do go do here. Mark comment this one because every time they run again. I'll just remove this one. So this assignment operator now, so now we take the use the assign values now to our variables. You know that for the variable video, I tell you, say when you create variable, you need to tell the variable the kind of information they get. So that process now assigning of value now to that particular variable. So now this this assignment operators, now they use the assign variable. Now they assign values now to our variable. So you see the way that say the way they write this variable now salary now, then I can assign 5,000 now. So this operator where they see now, so this equals to now, so now be the assignment operator. So this equals to now be the assignment operator. That means I they assign 5,000 to this variable now salary. This one they assign 500 to bonus, and they assign 200 to tax, just like that. And now we just only this one out there now. So other assignment operators now that day, you get the one be like say be the plus addition assignment operator. Man, I call it plus assignment addition assignment operator. And see the way it be now like this. If you come this place now, go just type say salary plus equals to bonus. You see? So now, if you see what I do for here now, so this salary plus equals to bonus, then are the addition assignments. Then are the addition assignments. And what did they do now? It go add bonus now to this salary. Okay. Console.log. Well, let me confuse myself just now. So I come and I go run salary. Then I go show now what did happen. Now the thing that they show 5,500. What did this in the do? What did this do? We say my comments. It just says salary. It says salary is equals to salary plus bonus. The same. Now this same thing, now be to do for you. So now this same thing now do. So now the plus assignment operator be this. Whenever I do one like this now the same thing of as saying salary is equals to salary plus bonus. You get. So when we do one like that now, it go collect the original value of the salary before now. Then it go add the 500 join now. You get. So we're not going to declare another thing again. You see. So if you see use this, if you see put the subtraction on now, if you put on like this, you go subtract 500 now come off for the 5,000 already there. If I refresh now, you see this now say they show 4,005 now. I still put the multiplication on. If I refresh now, see now say the value is big now 2.5 mil. You see I come here now, I'll divide. It go still do the same thing for me. You see I still do the modulo on too. I still do the modulo on too, and it'll bring the value as 0 for me. You get. So now the assignment operator for you. You get done an assignment operator for you. Then another operator again, the string operator. Another operator again, the string operator. What did that string operator they do? Now just to join two strings together. You get. With this string operator is doing to join two strings together, and that string operator now be the normal plus. You get. Now be the normal plus. You know, so normally now when would they add these two things now? Console this one out now. When would they add these two things? When would they say salary plus bonus? If they do normal addition for us. They do normal addition for us. Now, if I come this place now, I create maybe name. Then I give the name as Okon. Then I come again. Name. I give the name as Gordons. Okon Gordons. You see now, what I fit do? I fit put something like maybe I might just say var a is equals to name plus surname. Now, originally you could say maybe the thing will throw error because you know if it add string. Actually, we're not they add. What would they do? Would they join these two words together? Would they join the two words together? So if I come down and I console.log this a here now, so this one, you see, and they show Okon Gordons. You see, and they show Okon Gordons. So would they use this plus now to they join this name and this surname, and they call it concatenation. Concatenation. They get, but now is that big grammar. Now I just say, would they use this name now to they join the surname? You see, and the two now be like this. So if you can now put one space for here, just to give us spacing. And it does space on for me. Or if I don't want space, what I do? I come this place now, or put another plus. Then in between the plus, I'll put the space. You see, in between the plus now, I'll put the space. So now this Okona 9 day here, while this Gordons 9 day here. And if I run, you see, I say it give me my results. So now say just be for these three type of operators. Now where be the arithmetic operators, the assignment operator, and this string operator. So I just want to leave this one here and I'm making for no say something like this day, and now we're going to use throughout this our course because we're going to do so many things like that as we learn the JavaScript they go, and it go make brain if you know these things on ground before we go the enter those nice parts then you get. So this comparison operator and logical operator I go show now for the next video when we'll talk about conditionals, you get. So anyhow, more end this one here. I still be a lawyer boy from top sort now big tank. And anyhow, you like the video, you subscribe, and you tell that people they happen. So anyhow, I'll see you now for the next video. Thank you.